Hello dear student, this is Samarpan Gyan School, Mathematics Class 8, Chapter by Data Handling by Charlotte Metkar. This is our fourth lecture for this data handling lesson. Now we see how to read the frequency distribution table, how to make the table and give the answers. The question is given, a weekly wages of 30 workers in a factories are 830, 835, 890, 810, 835 like we are given. Using the tally marks, make the frequency distribution table with the intervals 800 to 810, 810 to 820 means they are making the difference of 10, 10. Then what will be the after 820? 820 to 830, 830 to 840, 840 to 850. Like way till what you have to take? The interval up to you are getting the highest number. Then highest number may be 890, 890. Okay. It may be more than, but for 890, 898, then you have to take up to 900 classes are. Then see the classes 810 to 800 to 810, 810 to 820 like way up to 890 to 900. Now what? The lowest observation is 804, therefore we start with 800 and it is given in the question also. Highest observation is 898, it is given here, therefore we make the interval up to 900. Is it okay? The classes are given in the question 810, 800 to 810 means different of 10, 10. And the frequency distribution table is like way. You know how to make the tally marks. Count these 3 lines gives you 3. This is the bundle of 5 plus 4, therefore it is 9. Bundle of 5, therefore 5, and like way it is. How many total workers are given there? 30 workers. Therefore, addition of all these 3. All these observations must come the 30. See 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6 plus 9 15 plus 5 20 plus 1 26 plus 3 29 plus 1. You must get the addition 30. See 1 3 plus 2 5 5 plus 1 6 6 plus 9 15 plus 5 20 21 24 25 26 30. Is it okay? 30. Only we have to make the distribution table. Now see next question. Draw the histogram for the frequency table made for the data in question number 4. Means whatever the data we made in this question, using that we have to make the histogram. Okay. And answer the following questions. Okay. Using this table, you have to make the histogram and answer. Which group has the maximum number of workers? See, the maximum number is 9. Then group is 830 to 840. Then answer will be 830 to 840. How many workers earn rupees 850 and more? 850 and more. This is 850 and 860. 860 to 870. 870 to 880. 880 to 890. 890 to 900. These all observations are the workers earning the income, earning rupees more than 850. Therefore, answer start from 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 4. Then what will be the answer? 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 4 10. Then answer will be the 10. Your answer will start from 850 here because more than 850 is required there. Is it okay? Next, how many workers earn less than rupees 850? Now if you know that 10 workers are taking the income more than 50, total workers are 30, then 30 minus 10 is 20. That much logic you have to use. But if you are not getting, then see the table. Less than 850 means from here you have to add. These all upside columns gives you the answer. What? 5 plus 9 14 plus 1 16 plus 2. 5 plus 9 14 plus 1 15 plus 2 17 plus 3 20. Then answer is 20. Got it? You have to write like that. And this is the histogram. See, histogram is what? The ranges are given 800 to 810, 810 to 820, then like 800, 810, 820, 30, 40, 50, like way up to 900 is given. Your class first class observation is what? 800 to 810 is 3. Then on y-axis you are taking 1, 2, 3 these numbers. Maximum is 9. Therefore you can take it up to 9. Then what? 800 to 810 observation is 3. Then this column is of 3. Second observation is what? 2. Then 1. Then you have to take the reading up to 2. Then 1. Then it is 9, 5, 1, 3, 1, 1, 4. Using this table you have to make this histogram. Okay. Weekly ages on x-axis and number of workers on y-axis. Is it okay? See the next question. Question number 6. Survey was made to find the type of music that certain group of young people like in a city. People like music, but different type of the music they like. Given pie chart shows the finding of this survey. You can take survey of people in your area. Ask them which type of the music you want, you like. Okay? And collect that data. And like way, this collection, parallel to that, make the same questions and try to give the answers. Okay? From this pie chart, answer the following. Pie chart is given there. See, semi-classical music 20% people, classical music 10%, folk 30%, and light music 40%. Light, silent music. Okay? If 20 people like the classical music, how many young people were surveyed? 20 people like classical music. See, classical are 10%. 10% means what? 20. 10 double is 20. Then how many young people were surveyed? Then you have to add all. Okay. How to find now? See the method. 10% of x is equal to 20. That is given. 10% means as usual. Last year I told you percent will be divided by 100. Of means multiply. 10% of x. 10 upon 100 multiply x is equal to 20. Then 110 will shift it to the 20 side. It will be 100 upon 10. 100 goes in multiply, 10 goes in divide. It will becomes like that. Then 10 ones are, 10 tens are. 10 into 20 is 200. Then how many total peoples will be there? 200. Is it okay? See the second question. Which type of the music is liked by the maximum number of people? See, this is 20%, 10%, 30%, 40%. Then which is the maximum number? 40. Therefore it is light. Then what answer will be there? Maximum number of people like the light music. Light music. Is it okay? See the third question. If the cassette company were to make 1000 CDs, cassette company want to make the cassettes, means CDs, cassettes, CDs, 1000. How many of each type would they make? These are given in percent. Percent means what? If they are making 100. If total 100 they are making, then 40 for the light, 30 for out of 100, 30 for folk, out of 100, 10 for classic, out of 100, 20 for semi-classic. Okay? Then out of 1000, you just increase 1 zeros. 40 will be 400, 30 will be 300, 10 will be the 100 and 20 will be the 200. But it is only for the observation and 1 mark question. But these are the long type answer questions. Therefore, we have to give the method of that answers. See now how to write the answer. Answer you know. You know now 20% will be 200, 40% will be 400. But how to write? See the method now. Total CDs will 1000. Number of CDs for semi-classical. Semi-classical shows you that 20%. Then what you will write? 20% of 1000. Again the previous one 20% means 20 upon 100. Is it okay? This is the print mistake. Here you have to write the 20%. 20% means what? 20 divide 100 into 1000. Then it will be 200. Make the correction here. It is 20. Okay. Next. Number of the CDs for classical. Classical is 10%. Then classical is 10 upon 100 into 1000, that is 100. Seed is for folk, 30%. Then 30 upon 100 into 1000 is 300. And for light music, 40 upon 100 into 1000 is 400. Got it? Okay. See the next question. A group of 360 people were asked to vote for their favorite season from the three seasons, rainy, winter and summer. People vote for the seasons. Then which three seasons are there? Summer, winter and rainy. Summer, 90% vote is there, 90 votes are there out of 360. Rainy 120 and winter is 150. Just add 150 plus 120, 270 plus 90, that is 360. Total 360 people are there. Okay. Now ask the see the question. Which season got the most votes? You observe and write the answer. See which is the most means maximum. Most means maximum. This most word stands for mover. Most means what? Mover or maximum. Okay. Maximum. Find the central angle for each sector and draw the pie chart to show this information. Okay. Now the technique is how to find the central angle. Okay. I am giving you to find the method of central angle. See, for any circle, this is the circle. Yesterday I explained you. This is the center. Then this is your compass protector. From here you are seeing the observation 0, then 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, like way here 90. Again 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 50, 60 and here 180. Like way in your protector. Means half part is 180, half part of circle is 180, then two half will be 180 plus 180, that is 360. Means whole circle have the measure of 360 degree. Then we have to find the central angles. Then what is the method to find the central angle? That I am explaining now. See now how to find. Number of votes are maximum for the winter season 150. Total votes 90 plus 120 plus 150 is equal to 360. How to find the central angle? For summer season 90 upon 360. How 90 upon 360? In the table 90 people like the summer. And out of 360, total people are 360 and 90 people like to the summer. Therefore 90 upon 360 and this 360 is coming from that center measure. Then both 360 cancel and your answer is 90 degree. Rainy season have the voting 120. Total 360 people and circle measure is 360. Again 360 get cancel. Your answer is 120. Winter season voting is 150. Total people 360. Circle measure is 360. Both 360 get cancel. Answer is 150. Means which central angles you have now? 90, 120 and 150. Okay. Then summer 90 degree. Rainy 120 degree. And winter 150 degree. How to make this now? Take the circle. First draw one circle. How to make this? Take any one radius. Keep here your rounder protector to make the angle. What is the angle now? First 90 degree. Then here you are getting 90 degree. Now rotate this. Keep the protector here. And what measure you want now for the second one? 120. Now from here you take 120. This is 90, 100, 110, 120. Means here you will get 120 degree. And whatever the remaining will be the 150 degree. Got it? Like way using the protector you can make the circle like this. Okay. Thank you. Remaining part we see in the next period.